Might seem fuck. This might seem a bit silly to y'all, but I don't give a fuck. UFC, man. It's massive in America. It's massive in Brazil. It's massive in China. And apparently the Brits are too fucking much pussies to watch it because it involves too much fucking violence. Anyway, right. I fucking love it. I'm gonna have a fight, and I'm just gonna let you listen to the audio, right? And this is for people my age, right? All you millennials, with all due respect, can go and get fucked for now. Anyone that remembers the ZX Spectrum, Commodore 64, Amstrad, you don't even have to see it, mate. I'll show you a little bit, but just the commentary, we've all seen it from the Spectrum to the Amstrad to like the first console. I was 12 when I got a Sega Master System when I was 12, mate. Then it went to Mega Drive, then it went to motherfucking N64. I still love the N64, man. Mario Golf and all that. Mario Kart is still arguably the best game ever. And then it went to fucking excellent box and all that. But yeah, this UFC 3, so this is pretty old now, but it's incredible, man. It's so realistic. Just listen to this shit, mate. If you've got fuck all else to do for 10 minutes, then it might. And it might get you into the sport, man. That's the only reason I wasn't into UFC from the beginning, because it's fucking pay-per-view only in this country. From the game, I thought, I've got to see the sport as anything like it. The fucking game ain't far on. There's spectacular knockouts and amazing atmosphere in every UFC big fight, mate. It's incredible. I'll always love boxing, but right now UFC is kicking the fuck out of boxing, mate. It's a fact. One man runs the show. There's a president, right? No politics. No 6 fucking weight class, no 6 belts per weight class, no fucking dodgy politics, no Mayweather fighting Pacquiao when they're both 40. Best fight the best, mate. He gives the fans what they want. And it's awesome. And the women are just as good as the fucking men. Incredible. I'm going to be Nate Diaz, and I'm going to try and beat Conor McGregor. I've been struggling to beat. This is on hard level, right? No bell. Got it on hard level, there's no belt, it's a 3-rounder just to see who's the fucking man. The Joe Rogan and the other geezer are awesome, man. I'll let the intros go, it might cut off.
Coming up next, a welterweight matchup between Nate Diaz and Conor McGregor.
How fucking real does that look?
Well, what a moment this is as the notorious Conor McGregor, the champ, makes his return to the greatest proving ground in mixed martial arts. You know McGregor cares an awful lot about his MMA legacy, so you know this return to the UFC was an eventuality. Perhaps it took longer than many fans expected, but the present is Conor McGregor walking back to the octagon here tonight. Conor McGregor has that it factor.
Very good ground game and extreme confidence in himself. All these make for a fantastic.
Hey, I remember. Oh shit, I forgot Nate's intro, shit. If anyone remembers Haunted fucking Hedges on the Spectrum in 1984, mate, you'll know what I mean. All my people. Do you know what I mean? Check this out. I'm going to try and beat him live, man. I'm going to try and take it well seriously. I'm going to tell him I'm actually in that cage with Conor McGregor, mate.
For this welterweight fight, McGregor is 29, Diaz is 32. He will have a 2-inch reach advantage. All right, now for the particulars, here is Bruce Buffer.
Ladies and gentlemen, this fight is 3 rounds in the UFC welterweight division. Introducing first. Kickboxer, 30 years, 21 games. He stands 5 feet 9 inches tall, weighing in at 170 pounds. Fighting out of jiu-jitsu fighter, holding professional record of 20 wins, 11 losses. He stands 6 foot tall, weighing in at 170 pounds. Fighting out of Stockton, California. Ladies and gentlemen, he is the Ultimate Fighter season winner,
Fucking incredible.
Herb Dean, our referee for this one.
Ready to fight? Ready.
Fighting out of the southpaw stance. Well, with about as much fanfare as you would expect, the biggest star this sport has ever seen, Conor McGregor, is back tonight. And now let's see how he performs. Certainly he has handled everything during fight week quite well. How does he handle fight night? We're going to get some answers here shortly, Joe. He gets hit with an outside leg kick.
I'm dominating so far with leg kicks. It's very early.
Joe, your thoughts on what we might see here early?
One thing to keep an eye out from Conor McGregor are his kicks.
I'm trying not to fight like the real Nate, because if I did, I'd get knocked out in the first round, so I'm trying to be cautious.
Very unpredictable, very creative with his kicking technique.
It hurts not to be true to Nate, but I can't win just like Preston with Conor.
Oh, that kick is good by McGregor.
It's a stamina thing, man. In order to hit really hard, you've got to connect, and if you don't, you lose a lot of stamina. So I'm just trying to outbox him, use my reach.
Both fighters slow to attack, trying to get their timing down.
Well, it's one thing to have length, it's another thing to use it, and he does it.
Don't forget I'm a much better wrestler than Conor as well, but if I take him down, I'm shit at defending submissions, man. I still can't figure out how to do it. I'm good at putting people in them, but I can't get out of them. If this sneaky cunt chokes me, I'm in all kinds of fucking Barney rubble.
As well as anyone, nice kick there by Diaz.
I'm going for big 1-2 super power punches here. I'm going to go for power punches. I've been jabbing and then tapping them so far. I'm going to go for 2 big punches and we'll see.
Watch the jab! Well, he's playing with fire here, Joe. He continues to be vulnerable to that
I went for it, he hit me twice. It didn't hurt me.
jab by almost leaning into it right into his opponent's range. Gotta find a way to move those feet up to get that head off of the center.
I'm going to get closer to him, otherwise it's just not going to be a fight.
Lock. Oh! Nice punch there by Diaz.
Big
Ooh, he
power in
landed
that
a huge
hook.
hook there, Joe. Knee to the body.
Alright, see, I went for a big kick on this, I've got to watch my stamina. I get too excited, I want to go for the knockout.
Lands a big elbow there.
Man, that is rough.
So the USA is so fucking realistic.
Oh, what a leg kick.
Both guys landing at a pretty decent clip.
Big uppercut, man, he ate it. Fucking I'm going for a takedown. I'm going to try and submit him.
Trying to establish that jab once again.
Missed the takedown.
Oh, he landed it. Oh, caught a big right hand.
Now a right hand. Under 2 minutes now to go. Conor McGregor gets caught by the inside leg.
Oh,
He's hurt
this could be it, right?
He's hurt me. He's hurt me bad.
Here.
Clean fucking knockout, mate. 1 kick.
Oh, he's out cold. A huge roundhouse kick for the knockout.
Indeed, Joe, that was a tremendous kick to end the fight tonight. Caught the opponent flush with full force and extension. And frankly, there was no chance after that. The fight was over as soon as that one made contact. Certainly one for the highlight reel here tonight.
Let's take a look at that again. And here we see it again.
Oh!
So a seminal moment for him here tonight as he gets the huge knockout victory. Now we go.
Son of a bitch must pay. I'll rematch that motherfucker.